Hi students, this is the class for grade 6. This is the 4th class. In previous classes we have completed the lesson 1, that is nutrition, plant nutrition and animal nutrition, source of food from plants and animals. In this class we will discuss about the chapter 2, that is food. What is food? What are the components of foods? This is the main part of this chapter. First of all, what is food? In nutrition, in previous classes, in nutrition, we have discussed what is nutrients. Nutrients, that means the substance which is required for our growth and development. So food is that substance which required for our growth and development as well as our immunization. So food is very much required for us because it is the energy source, main energy source of any kinds of organism, that is known as food. And the process to collect the food, that is the nutrition. So you just understand what is the difference between nutrition and food. Food and nutrition are related. Food is the substance, and to collect the food, how the organism collect the food, that process is known as nutrition. So what is food? Food is the substance which is required for any kinds of organism as a source of energy and for their growth and development as well as immunization. So this is the definition of food. So mainly food have basic 6 part, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat. This is the main 3 component, and others there is also 3, that is minerals, vitamins and water. I like to mention here because I think all the students collect their books. So in book there is some confusion. What is the substance or main components of food? In your book there is the roughage. Roughage is also the component of food, but it is not come under the first 6. Main 6 components of food. Please hear it carefully. In book there is some mistakes. The main components of food, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, vitamins and water. And roughage is also present in food. Roughage is not present in every kind of food. The food's main 6 components are carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, vitamins and water. Roughage is present in many kinds of food. It's also important for our body, but it is not the main component or main part of food. It also the component of food, but not main. Main 6 component, without which that would not be said as a food. That is carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, vitamins and water. When you will discuss when we discuss about the balanced diet, there this concept will be more clear. That is main 6 component, that will be these 6. And roughage is also important for our body, for our digestion process, for our metabolism process. But the main 6 component, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, vitamins and water. Okay. Now we will discuss individually. First of all, carbohydrate. What is carbohydrate? Carbohydrate, in normal words, we understand what is sugar. So carbohydrates means generally sugars, but food have 2 types of carbohydrate that is contained, that is mainly sugar and starch. Sugar and starch. These are the main two components of carbohydrates, two type of carbohydrates. It is sugar, that is simple carbohydrate, and starch, that is complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. Sugar, that is the simple carbohydrate like glucose, sucrose, fructose, that's all are the simple carbohydrates, and that is known as sugar. And starch, it is a separate individual types of carbohydrate, that is complex carbohydrate, odorless, white, and presents in food. So this is carbohydrate is called the cheapest source of energy, because in maximum types of food that contain carbohydrates as an energy source, and energy is required for our body mainly for different types of metabolic process that is done by the energy, and that energy mainly come from the carbohydrate. Each and every parts, as we going through this chapter, you will better understand that carbohydrate, protein, fat, threes are give energy. All the food components, mainly carbohydrate, protein and fat, these three are source of energy, but the use of energy is different. You have to understand that carbohydrate is the source of energy, and it mainly capable to do different types of life processes and our activities. Like you are walking, so you need energy. That energy is supplied by carbohydrate. So it is the main necessary for our daily life and life processes. Like different kinds of life processes are there, like different kinds of metabolism, like excretion, reproduction, etc. So all cell needs energy, and that energy mainly from carbohydrate, mainly come from carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are of two types: sugar means simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate, and both are used for getting the energy. Plant source have another type of carbohydrate, that is cellulose. Cellulose, it is mainly found in the plant cell wall. Cellulose. So what is the function of carbohydrate? Function of carbohydrate, that is the source of energy, means it produces the energy. How? Now mainly any types of carbohydrate, when we take it in the nutritional process, the after the taken food, it digested, and after digestion there is the process of absorption, and after absorption, that is assimilation. What is these words? I will understand. These are the steps of our nutrition. In higher classes you will understand better, but here I just give you the concept. First, the food is uptaken, food is taken, and that taken food, it is the first step. This is called ingestion. This is called ingestion. And after the ingestion of food, means the food uptaken into the body, that food is digested. That process is known as digestion. Digestion means the food is break down, and when it is break down, then the small particles, after the breakdown of the food, the small particles is absorbed in our small intestine. So that is absorption, and it go through the blood. It mixed with the blood after absorption, and that blood contain the food particles to the cell and enters into the cell and tissues. That is known as assimilation. Means when we take a food, that food first digest, then it's absorbed and go to the blood, and after reach to the blood, it said to the cell and enters into the cell, that is assimilation. So after the enter in the cell, then that food particles used to produce the energy. How? Now, any kinds of carbohydrate, these are the very important points. So please listen it carefully. Any kinds of carbohydrate break down. Any kinds of, maybe sugar, maybe cellulose, maybe starch, any kinds of carbohydrate. When we take carbohydrate, then it break down, means digestion. And this digestion, after the digestion, it produce glucose. And that glucose go through the blood. It is absorption. And after the absorption, it go through the blood and enters into the cell. Then it is known as assimilation. After the assimilation means enters into the cell, then that food particles, means glucose, produce energy by the process of respiration. Okay, I repeat, carbohydrate breakdown by the process of digestion, means breakdown in the process of digestion and produce glucose. This is our essential materials to produce energy, and it reach to the process of absorption and assimilation into the cell. After entering into the cell, it going through the process of respiration to produce energy. When we take a food, then carbohydrate, then it break down into the glucose, and that glucose is react with oxygen, and then it produce the energy. This process is known as respiration, and this energy is used for our many purposes. So this is the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, I repeat just in shortly, carbohydrates are mainly of two types: sugar and starch, means simple and complex. Any kinds of carbohydrates break down by the process of digestion and reach to the cell, and by the process of respiration it produce the energy. For this purpose, the carbohydrate is required for our body. What is the role of carbohydrate? The role of carbohydrate is very big because it's produce the energy, and by the help of this energy, our any kinds of life processes means movement, locomotion, reproduction, excretion, all the life processes are done by this carbohydrate, this energy. So carbohydrate is too much important for our body. In next class, I will discuss the protein and fat, then vitamins and minerals. So for this class, main questions, I repeat, that will be listed in the last of the video. That is, what is food, why the food is required for any kinds of organism, what are the main components of food, what is carbohydrate, why it is required for us, what is the use of energy produced by the carbohydrate, and what are the steps to produce the energy, how energy is produced from carbohydrate. First of all, carbohydrate breakdown, then it absorbed in the blood, enters into the cell, and there by the process of respiration the energy is produced. So this is the steps of production of energy from the carbohydrate.